Hello friends, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix wrong date and time on Samsung M47. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on date and time. After click on date and time, so turn off automatic date and time button. After turn off this button, and if you want to set date and time, so select set date. So change date from here. After change date, click on done. Set time. After set time, click on done. Turn on this button. You will see date and time is set. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.